Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen short wheelbase transporter Kombi. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with the impressive 204 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a DSG automatic gearbox. This Kombi is also a 4Motion. This Kombi is a used 71 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the Kombi. To the front, you will notice LED headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. In the grille, you will notice the 4Motion badge and also two nice chrome strips. This Kombi is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the vehicle again, you will notice that it's fitted with 17-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. As we move up to the mirrors, you will notice the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors are heated and power folding. This is ideal for leaving a van on a busy road and also for cold winter months. This Kombi is also fitted with rear privacy glass with side opening windows. It's also fitted with twin sliding doors. As we look into the back of the Kombi, you will notice three comfortable seats. Both outer seats have Isofix anchorage points, which is ideal for the correct child seat. Both doors have these slide opening windows for extra ventilation for the rear passengers. To the back of the Kombi, you will notice a tailgate with a heated rear screen and rear wash wipe. Across the rear bumper, you will notice reverse parking sensors. This Kombi is also fitted with LED rear tail lights. You'll also notice the Volkswagen badge, the VW emblem, and a 4Motion badge on the rear tailgate. As we move into the back of the Kombi, you will notice factory fitted panelling. Also, you will notice the load area is clean and free from damage. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. If you wanted to add more space, you could take out the rear row seats, which is easy to do. And here we have the inner rear tailgate. This transporter is painted in a solid paint, which is called cherry red. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather-wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. As we move across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. This Kombi is fitted with 5 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. You'll also notice the passenger seat and the driver's seat have armrests. This is ideal for extra comfort on long journeys. I have now finished my 360 walk around the Kombi. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I'm now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. This Kombi is also fitted with auto headlights. As we move back to the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This Kombi is covered 15 delivery miles. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which you'll find here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here with a 12-volt socket. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system also has a nice feature called App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and my downloaded music app. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice that this Kombi is fitted with a rear view camera. It's also fitted with park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this Kombi is fitted with a heated front windscreen for cold winter months. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. This Kombi is also fitted with heated front seats. As you can see, it's easy to adjust the heat temperature by repressing the switch. Here we have the temperature control switch. The next switch across is for the 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the DSG automatic gear stick. And now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase Kombi. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with the impressive 204 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine. It also has a DSG automatic gearbox, and it's also a 4Motion. If you would like any more information on this used approved 71 plate Kombi, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the vehicle. When you are in touch with the salesperson, you could ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer. And thank you for watching.